Paris. Bonjour. Arrive in our hotel here in Paris. This is our... Oh, nice. It's a bit cozy. Nice. Ooh. Ville de Versailles. Versailles Village.
One eternity later.
We are now in this restaurant. This is a famous for local and for the tourists. See, there's a long queue. See? This restaurant was built in 1903 and they serve only local food in not expensive prices. So that's why you can see there's so many tourists and local who's eating here. Yummy! Bon appétit!
The next day.
Bonjour! Welcome to Montparnasse, Paris! Bonjour! We are going to take a boat ride today. Merci.
One eternity later.
So we just done the boat ride. It was a good experience. You don't need to buy the ticket online. You just can buy the ticket here direct. And the boat schedule is every 30 minutes. But a bit hot during the day. It's so hot, but it was a nice experience. Where they did the Olympic last time. You see the balloon there? That's the one. Samaritan is the first shopping mall here in Paris. It's like a gallery, Lafayette. We are now inside this shopping mall, Samaritan. And this Samaritan shopping center was established on 1970. I think this is the first shopping mall here in Paris. That's why it's like one of the tourist attraction here in Paris. And just opposite of this building, of this shopping center, is the Louis Vuitton main office. So we are going now there to have a dessert. Ciao! Always standing. So we will go in Louis Vuitton later for a dessert. Now heading to a restaurant. This restaurant, one of the best rating restaurant here in Paris. Mostly mga vegetarian restaurant siya, but the taste is just like a meat. So we'll see and try. Whoa, it's really fully booked. Something. It's a light lunch. Bon appetit.
A few moments later.
This whole building is Louis Vuitton. There, the whole area. We are now inside the Louis Vuitton and we're going to have a dessert and coffee here. I'm so excited. Ah wait, c'est parfait. Merci. Oh, look at the view. You know, I never have a chance to dine in Qatar Airways Airport in Louis Vuitton. But now we are here. I'm so lucky to dine in here in the main, Louis Vuitton main here in Paris. I'm just so lucky. We're going to choose our dessert. Which one? Which one? Look at the cute sugar. Sorry. Let's go home. It's really hot, but we have to walk. Our hotel is just across this bridge. Whoa, it's really hot. The water here, the water fountain is clean.
The next day.
Today we book a ticket to visit the tower to see the full view of Paris. We are here now in the tower. See you guys. 56th floor. I will show you where we walked yesterday. Remember that? Remember this one, the balloons for the Olympic? Can you imagine we walk from there and our hotel is behind in this building. Our hotel is around this building, this side. This is Montparnasse train station.
A few moments later.
Really busy. We are now in this restaurant. This is a seafoods restaurant. Everywhere we go is always busy because my husband always choose the good restaurant and well-known restaurant. This is one of the well-known restaurant here, this seafoods restaurant. Oh la la! It's a light dinner tonight because we've been eating and eating every single day. So we have just a light seafoods, the prawns and the oyster.
Thank you.